Hello guys, you can use merge tags in your docs like contracts or proposals to use the client data from the CRM and replace it with real values in your contracts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's add a cover page here. So this is the doc cover page. I'm going to change contract, and here I'll add merge tag. I can go choose a merge tag from here: recipient first name, recipient email. Let's say I want to add recipient first name, or I can copy paste the tag from here as well. And let's say I want to add from and sender first name here. So this is how you use the merge tags. There are plenty of merge tags available that you can choose from. There is company address, etc., a recipient first name. All the fields that are available in the CRM are available here. So let me add a recipient in this contract. Say this one. So this is how you add. This is how you use merge tags. Now we are going to see how it looks on the client side. So this is the client view of the proposal. As you can see that the name has been replaced by the recipient's real name, and this has been replaced by my name. So this is how you use merge tags in Agiled. Thank you so much for watching the